Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. All of my videos are for inspirational purposes only. Today I'm cooking green tomato with salmon. Not salmon with green tomato. I know it's the same thing. I'm just giving priority to the tomatoes just simply because it's from my garden. Beginning of September, we had a very bad cold wind and mist and fog in the morning. Because of that, I have lost, unfortunately, most of my tomatoes. These are cherry plum tomatoes. I have lost of them, mashallah. They are ripening very beautifully. This is what I have got left. Alhamdulillah, I'm going to cook it today. Inshallah. Let's go cook. I'll put all the ingredients in the description box. I'm going to cut the onion and tomatoes first to start with.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
ألهاكم التكاثر.
Competition in worldly increase diverts you,
حتى زرتم المقابر.
until you visit the graveyards.
كلا سوف تعلمون.
No, you are going to know.
ثم كلا سوف تعلمون.
Then, no, you are going to know.
كلا لو تعلمون علم اليقين.
No, if you only knew with knowledge of certainty,
لترون الجحيم.
you will surely see the hellfire.
ثم لترونها عين اليقين.
Then you will surely see it with the eye of certainty.
ثم لتسألن يومئذ عن النعيم.
Then you will surely be asked that day about pleasure.
I have used a very good amount of olive oil because I like it a little bit oily, and anyway, olive oil is very good for health. I'm cooking this green tomato with wild salmon. Any salmon will do, but I prefer wild salmon. I hope you have enjoyed watching the salmon and green tomato is being cooked. If you have, see you next time again, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.